Ethereum just hit $4,400 and there is a $20 billion buy order coming right now. And let me quickly show you this, because first of all, our trade that I announced on the channel, that I showed to you guys out there, is now in more than $600,000 in profit, which is absolutely insane. Of course, the Bitcoin trade also still ripping at 250K in profit. But guys, we are seeing something absolutely incredible happen, because the reason why Ethereum is pumping is not only because of the CPI data, but no, it is Tom Lee, which announced a $20 billion raise to buy more Ethereum. And for the ones that don't understand how freaking big this is, guys, Michael Saylor has only bought so far $74 billion worth of Bitcoin. And you know what kind of an effect that had towards the Bitcoin price action. So yes, for a fact, I will be continue to hold my positions open on Ethereum. And if I am looking at the charts, Ethereum is outperforming all the altcoins, but this is what happened always in this part of the cycle. And I do believe that the continuation for Ethereum is going to be happening if we break above this high. And ultimately, if I'm looking at the weekly time frame for the ETH compared to Bitcoin pair, if we can break this very critical downtrend, which we are this very critical downtrend, which we are starting to be approaching right now here, guys, I think we are going to be seeing an even bigger continuation. Of course, we're going to come very close towards it right now, but if we can break it, it is going to be, of course, very massive. But yes, what is so nice about this exact move towards the upside right now is that Bitcoin is boring and Ethereum is pumping. And this always happens at that later stage of the cycle. Of course, if you've been following the channel, you know this is the last 2 months of the cycle. That is at least what I am expecting. And it is exactly playing out because Ethereum is outperforming, right? But what is going to be happening next year is that altcoins are going to be outperforming Ethereum. And that is why I have this insane bonus for you guys ready here, because you can currently get a free $1,000 Aptos trade, which is one of the positions where I'm going very big on my Telegram, because in my private Telegram group, guys, I share you my setup, what I think about Aptos. So don't forget to follow and join me in my free Telegram, where I share all my setups with 5 other professional traders. It's absolutely amazing. But guys, also, if you write and sign up an account using that first link in today's video description, you can get a free $1,000 position on Aptos. Or if you use the second link, guys, you can join the insane prize pool of $2 million, where you can, for example, win a Bentley and stuff. So that's absolutely insane. Make sure to check it out here. There are big rewards being given. But Tom Lee, guys, he is raising $20 billion, which is having a very great effect on the Ethereum price action. And honestly, I have been talking about my analysis on Ethereum and where it is exactly heading towards, and giving you a very realistic price target. And honestly, if I'm looking at a realistic price target, I think 6.4K for Ethereum seems very reasonable. And that is a place where I want to be heavily skilled out of my position. So I will remain to be in my longs, guys. And honestly, I'm going to be targeting levels around $5,000 to start take my first profit on this massive trade here. Because if we hit 5K, yeah, then I will be in a massive profit on this trade here. So I am going to keep you guys up to date on my Bitcoin trade, on my Ethereum trade, but I am expecting the market is going to go ever so slightly higher. Don't forget to right now join me, of course, in my private Telegram group and sign up an account to WeX to claim that free $1,000 trade, guys. It is absolutely insane what of a big opportunity we're right now getting, because we know this is going to be happening and we know what it did to the Bitcoin price action, right? We are at the end stage of the cycle. This is honestly, of course, the worst timing to be exiting the markets. I mean, I showed it so many times. Let me exit the logarithmic scale here, because then you understand. This was the last 2 months of the 2017 cycle. This is where the entire altcoin market went 8x. So please understand how big this is. Also over here in 2021, the last 2 months, we went about 2x with the entire altcoin market. And now, what are we going to be seeing this time around, guys? I am very exciting, but I will continue to hold myself towards the timings. Of course, it's not going to be ending in a straight way here towards the downside, but it is going to be ending soon here. So this is really the time to pay attention, guys. Anyways, this was it for me on this very quick update video. If you do like these, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It will be highly appreciated. Share this with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.